These fundamental oscillation of creation, as described in these ancient traditions, generated geometry from interference pattern. And many of these ancient cultures portrayed these geometry in their symbolism, and they described basically a triangulation of the space, commonly demonstrated, for instance, in the Hawaiian traditions as a stack of triangles, and in other traditions as star-like structures, triangles, and various geometries that were at the base of creation.
In Hebrew tradition, Merkaba literally translates to light, spirit, and body.